All right, so we got some bearish price action in natural gas in an area of potentially significant resistance. But before we go further, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNS, the world's largest retail broker, offering ultra-fast execution with no overnight fees. Find a link in the description below. This is Bruce for FXEmpire, taking a look at the daily chart for natural gas. So we see that natural gas now has a potential double top, one top, two top. A breakdown would trigger below this low here at 349, which is Monday's low. That would also follow a breakdown below this 10 period moving average, which generally does a pretty okay job of identifying short-term dynamic support in this case. But we could also look at an 8 period or a 12 period. The idea is around this area, if we break through that low, we're going to break through the moving average and the long-term uptrend line. So this uptrend line was potentially resistance. That's bullish, a breakthrough. Breakthrough the top is bullish, but not unless it's sustained. And resistance is at the 200 moving average, and there's a completion of an ABCD pattern with the 127% projection on it. So that puts natural gas in a position to potentially trigger this double top with a drop below 330 and put it heading towards this low right here and the 20 moving average at 313. This low here is at 312, so around the 313 would be, I would say, the minimum expectation to the downside, but probably the 50 moving average down here at 302 will probably be tested as well. What this is showing now is that there's a potential failure of this possible continuation that triggered yesterday. So that is usually followed by further failure. So that's how I'm looking at it now. There needs to be a breakout above this high of 359 before the situation, as it stands now, improves for the bulls. All right, that is it for natural gas traders. Have a great week.